Hello everyone, welcome to our channel MF Cooking. Today we're making Pita Pizza. Enjoy the video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. Let's get started. For this recipe you would need pita bread, turkey pepperonis, fat-free mozzarella cheese, mushrooms, marinara sauce, and red onion. Begin by slicing the red onion. Add about 1 tablespoon of marinara sauce on the pita bread. Add a handful of mozzarella cheese. Next, top with mushrooms. Then onions. And lastly, pepperonis. Repeat. Bake at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. And there you have it, Pita Pizza. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.